Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a project and picking the correct aspect ratio for your platform, such as 16, 9 or 9, 16. Once done, import all photos, video clips, and audio using media, then place them onto the timeline in rough order. Make sure to trim the in and out points on each clip so playback flows. As you work, label or group critical assets. This prevents re-imports and saves time when you move into editing and effects. Now focus on refining the middle of your edit. Trim precisely with split and trim handles, and remove gaps with ripple delete so timing stays tight. Then add layers, overlays, text, stickers, and position, scale, and set opacity or blend modes to integrate them with your base clip. Next, apply transitions between clips and use speed controls or speed ramping for emphasis. Freeze frames can highlight a moment. Keep playback previewing to finish by polishing color and audio before export. Use color filters or manual correction to balance exposure, white balance, and saturation so clips match. Make small tweaks, then compare. For sound, insert background music, normalize dialogue, apply fades, and enable ducking so voice stays clear. Use noise reduction if needed. Finally, export with the right resolution, frame rate, and bitrate for your target platform. Test a short clip export to confirm quality. And if issues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.